Where can I download and install the Windows driver for the Honeywell printer? In this video, we'll show you where to download the Windows driver for Honeywell printers and guide you through the complete installation process. To begin, go to the Honeywell software portal at hsmftp.honeywell.com. After logging in, navigate through the following path: Software, Printers, Printer Software and Drivers, Printer Drivers, Windows Print Drivers, Current. Once you're on the page, click the Download button. After the download completes, open the file by double-clicking it in the Honeywell Download Manager. Next, extract the zip file. Inside the extracted folder, double-click the exe installer to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions until completed. The IntoDriver installer will be located in this directory. C://Honeywell/IntoDriver. Open the folder and double-click Driver Wizard, exe. When the IntoDriver wizard appears, choose Install Printer Drivers. If you previously installed Honeywell IntoDriver, select Upgrade Printer Drivers instead. Then click Next. Connect your printer, choose the appropriate connection type, and click Next. Select the specific Honeywell printer model you want to install. Continue clicking Next until the Finish button appears. Wait for the installation to complete. If you want to install another printer model, choose Install Another Printer. Otherwise, click Close. Your Honeywell printer driver is now successfully installed. Thank you for watching.